Do you feel drained and struggle to get through the day? Does your body hold on to weight no matter how little you eat? Have diets and exercise failed you? If so, you need to know about Mitolyn, a cutting-edge supplement designed to restore energy, boost metabolism, and help you lose weight naturally. Click the link below to visit the official Mitolyn website and start your transformation today. It's 2025. Science reveals the truth about weight gain. For years, weight loss was thought to be just calories in versus calories out. But in 2025, science proves it's far more complex. Your metabolism is controlled by mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside your cells. When mitochondria function properly, your body burns fat efficiently. However, aging, stress, poor diet, and toxins can weaken mitochondrial function, causing persistent fatigue, even with enough sleep, sluggish metabolism, making weight loss impossible, increased fat storage, even on a low-calorie diet, brain fog and poor concentration, affecting daily performance. Traditional weight loss methods fail because they don't address the root cause. Now, science offers a breakthrough solution. Midlin, a supplement designed to recharge mitochondria, naturally increasing energy and fat burning. What is Midlin and how does it work? Midlin is an advanced mitochondrial support formula that optimizes metabolism, increases energy, and supports long-term health. Instead of relying on stimulants, it enhances your body's natural ability to burn fat efficiently. This means more energy, feel energized all day, faster, fat burning, boost metabolism naturally, improved brain function, eliminate brain fog, better health, strengthen overall well-being. Mitolyn's powerful ingredients. Mitolyn's formula includes 6 premium science-backed ingredients that revitalize mitochondria and accelerate weight loss. Maki berry, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health and mitochondrial protection. Rhodiola, an adaptogen that reduces stress, enhances endurance, and increases mental focus. Hematococcus, a natural source of astaxanthin, which protects mitochondria, supports joints, and strengthens immunity. Amla, also called Indian gooseberry, it enhances digestion, metabolism, and vision. Theobroma cacao, a superfood that boosts circulation, brain function, and energy production. Schisandra, a stress-fighting adaptogen that improves endurance and mitochondrial efficiency. Together, these ingredients work to activate mitochondria, enhance metabolism, and promote sustainable fat loss. How to use Midlin for best results. Midlin is easy to use and fits into any routine. Take 2 capsules per day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. Consume with meals. This maximizes absorption. Stay consistent. Daily use ensures long-term benefits. For best results, combine Midlin with healthy eating, hydration, and regular activity. What to expect from Mitolyn week 1 to 2. Increased energy, less fatigue, and improved focus. Week 3 to 4. Faster metabolism, noticeable weight loss, and better endurance. Week 5 plus. Enhanced body composition, sustained energy, and long-term well-being. Mitolyn's 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Mitolyn is manufactured in the USA under strict quality standards. The company is so confident in its formula that they offer a 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't love the results, you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. That means zero risk, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Why choose Midlin? Targets the real cause of slow metabolism and fatigue. Uses science-backed ingredients with proven health benefits. Boosts energy naturally, and supports sustainable fat loss. 100% natural and safe. No harmful chemicals or stimulants. Comes with a risk-free 90-day guarantee. If you're tired of struggling with energy and weight loss, Midlin could be the solution you've been waiting for. Take action now. Start your transformation. Don't wait another day feeling low on energy. Click the link below to order Mitolyn today and start experiencing the life-changing benefits of this revolutionary supplement. Your new, energized, and healthier self is just a decision away.